pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I have a Boxy Charm unboxing. We're going to see if this is the premium. And let's see what we got. I'm super excited. So this is the $35 a month box. And you get, I think, a value of $175 or more on average, and I want to say it's between 4 to 6 products, but we're gonna find out in just a second. Okay, I gotta get ready. Give me a minute. Okay, yes, we got the premium, and here she is. I do remember my choices, and oh, I got my choice. We got the St. Patrick's Day theme. This is the card that has everything on it and the prices. And all right, let's get into it. The first thing I pull out is the Kypress Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer Eye Serum and Primer and Shimmer Palette. Okay, that's all in one. Ooh, all right, let's see. $145. And it's a new launch. Ooh, this means there's not nowhere else to be found. Oh, we like that. All right, so let's see. We've got this. This is a serum. Yeah, okay, so we got the serum right here. And then we've got the palette. Let's go ahead and open the serum up. Oh. Oh, it's chunky. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. This is not normal. This is not normal. Something is wrong with this. It's like Elmer's glue. Ew. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Gross. All right, let's open the palette. Okay. I hope this is not swatched. It almost looks... There's fingerprints on the mirror. Yay! All right, so we got 5 shimmers in here, and I'm going to swatch them. They feel super creamy. Let me go ahead and put them here. I'm just going to ignore the fact that there is issues with this right now. All right, those two look super similar on the skin, but not in the pan. Okay. And some of them are barely showing up. What's wrong with this picture? Okay, I don't know if you can see them. Here they are. I don't know. I honestly don't know how this is going to work. I'm a little stumped. I'm definitely going to email them about my chunky eye serum. I'm wondering if anyone else got a chunky eye serum. Is it eye serum or is it, I'm sorry. Yeah, eye serum and primer. So I don't really know what's going on with that, but we're going to go ahead and skip through this because I could be here all day examining products. All right, the next thing I see is this box here. It says Kiss on it. Kiss, kiss, kiss. My. What is it? Rowan Beauty. Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. This has a $26 value. Ooh. Ooh. This is a lip balm. It looks like a liquid lip color. Let me see. The packaging is nice. Is this like similar to the lip liner we got? Yes, it is. Oh, I love that. That'll go great with the lip liner we got. All right, cool. It's not really sticky, so we're good to go there. I don't like sticky lip gloss. No, 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 no. Okay, moving on. UA Essential Lip Enhancer. I just got one of these. $17. Infused with good-for-you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. All right, this is another lip balm. I'm so sick of getting lip balms. I mean, by now, we've got them. Yeah, that I am not going to open this because I'm going to just put it in a giveaway, future giveaway. But okay, so let's see. Now, this I was waiting for. Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, silicone free. Has a $35 value and it looks huge. So let's see. Ooh, it is. It's pretty big. Ooh, I'm liking that. Let's see what the consistency is. Oh, all right. So you pull this off and you got a pump. Ooh, it looks like a lotion. It really looks like a lotion. It smells okay. Doesn't really look like a primer to me. Oh, I'm kind of sad. Yeah, what's that about? Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Ooh, I love to get brushes. This is a $48 value. It's a Boxy exclusive, it says. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, the color is orange. Nice and bright and springy. And then, okay. These are plastic and individually wrapped. Here's the brushes. We've got a liner brush. We've got a short shader. We've got a blender. And another blender. These look and feel super cheap. And I don't think they're going to be worth anything, to be perfectly honest with you. I definitely don't think that they were worth $48. Not at all. They're soft, but I don't see them working very well, to be perfectly honest with you. Okay, now I'm kind of bummed. All right, let's see. What do I have? The last thing I have is a Becca Foundation. Ooh, this is better. Oh, it's an olive. No, I don't think that's gonna work for me. Ugh. I wasn't expecting a Becca Foundation, was I? I don't know. I used to love Becca Foundation. This was the only one I would use for a really long time. This here is so not going to be my color at all whatsoever. It's the 24-hour foundation. So I guess I'm going to end up giving that to someone. Yeah, I'll probably wind up giving it to someone. Should we try just a little bit? Why not? It's got a pump. Okay, this is definitely a thick foundation. Let's put it over my primer. Okay, there's the color there. I like their foundation. It's definitely full coverage. This is not really my color, but that's okay. I'm happy I got it. That's probably the best thing in here. So guys, I was so excited to get the premium box, and the contents of it, I got a chunky serum. Like, I don't even think you recognize how chunky that is. And then I like the lip gloss. The primer, I have no idea how this is going to work. It, to me, is like a moisturizer, which to me is not a primer. But I will definitely try it out. The brushes, I think, are pretty useless. And the eyeshadow palette, the colors all swatched pretty much the same, even though they look so much different in the pan. Do I think that it was worth the $145? Absolutely not. And I definitely would not have purchased this on its own. And I'm not sure how it's going to work, but I can definitely try these out in another video. I didn't put on lipstick. Maybe I should try the lip gloss then and see how that works. Yeah, let's do that. And I didn't put on bronzer or blush because I'm expecting the Jaclyn Hill ones to come in today. It's just a nice light tint to it. I definitely like it. You can definitely put this over any type of lipstick you want. So that's, to me, that and the foundation are my favorite products. I think that there is, yeah, the brush set, the foundation, the lip enhancer, the lip balm, the primer, that's not really a primer, the eye serum, and shimmer palette set. Okay, that's everything, guys. What do you think? I'm a little disappointed. However, I'm going to email them. They're usually pretty good about stuff, but I definitely don't want charms. And I am blown away at the $145 price tag that came with that serum and that primer. And it's a new launch and it's chunky. Like, I'm going to try to take a picture of this closer so you guys can see it. But put your thoughts down in the comments below. And thank you so much for joining me for this video. I appreciate it so very much. Anything that you have to say, I will love to hear and listen to. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!